noma hope ucele kanje until uHugo Brizat the best striker.
Should I also roll?
Yeah, roll.
Let's all roll.
I guess it's a good
Somebody said to me like, "Bishop Pope, Matthew, Prime Kevin, Jonathan Cody, let Kens about Kens National Churches. Welcome to Shibo Magazine, and I'd like to take this moment with Namanale Mokolo, Tasai, transport driver to Mudeni, Mount to Zegas for me. Thank you. Yes. As we're diving into it, before actually diving into it, for my co-hosts to introduce themselves. So call right to me.
Sure, magazine.
Sure, Wangla.
Yeah.
Wangla.
Ugwa team ya.
Yeah, that's I. I'll take the driver.
Also, choga wa goalkeeper ko ka ge.
Hey.
Or best commentator before Regin Low. Before Regin Low. Before Regin Low.
I got us a nine good after me.
Yeah, sure. See a quote.
Shibo
Magazine. RIP Tasai.
My goalkeeper.
Let's roll.
Before siqhubeke savage, tasayibongi goalkeeper / commentator transport kahle bokujomo sona. Kahle. Sengivalile.
Beka unathi.
Nyana bekana ama shares maybe asazi.
The transport.
So yeah, Bafethu, let's talk about the transfer window. Ukuthi like ihambe kanjani? Like ama-players suke from other teams going to their current teams khona manje. How are they like settling in? Are they doing better? Are they adapting to the environment? Like how is it going on? For the ones that you actually know, that you've seen play.
I want to ukhuluma Paris.
I'm fine.
Okay, I'm fine. Let me just pick it. Yeah, like ngikale ngama-team ngibiza amagama. Then so discuss.
They were important. This is important.
Paris ngiyahanja okay siqale ngelibuza. Even City. Ama-player angenile like asayiniwe.
Okay, so abonile so far Serino, Shandu, Yeah.
Seth Green, Kai Jagan, Tashrik Morris, Goodman Muselo. Okay, Goodman Muselo ile ko Pirates okay. Yeah, ko Pirates apparently.
Oh, nalone.
Yeah,
from cheap ane.
Yes.
Andakahami. So u7 ufuna?
No, like angithi
ama-player ku transfer.
If you play a little bit kulo
meaning fanda kakadlali. Cheap.
No, bengicabanga ukuthi siranga ku7 City. So manje manithi Goodman Musele sengimanje le gama ngiyalazi.
No ringa amagama ama-player alivela.
Ubalile Shandu uye ku7 City.
Yeah.
So that simply means no Musele from Pirates bakulona ngithi.
From
usasela.
Good.
Beka ku cheap.
Naliko cheap.
So saliko 7 City.
Yeah.
Oh,
City.
Bamshito ko 7. Asodlala.
Oh.
Yeah, ke tsona player tse di 6.
Makakemboni Shandu yabo.
Then tsetsuileng ko 7 City. Ke Terence Mashego, Ronaldo Maman, Ke Mahlangu. Okay, abo Tahiri, whatever, Goreman. Then
Goedeman.
Yeah, Goedeman.
Yeah, Goedeman.
Unjubani lo Terence kan bekungasiloni from Sundowns.
Lo.
I think nalo kusaseyiloni la ekhona. Stelis. Yeah, sometimes ngiloni.
Yeah, those players.
Shandu Rimboni.
Okay. Useth Green akadlala ngithi.
Yep.
Useth Green ngathi kuyabuka ngithi.
Yeah. Yep.
Akadlala. Abantu abadlalile so for Augustine Serena ngithi.
Yeah.
Shandu.
Shandu. So far ngibona.
No Tashri. Isibola lapha ya. I know so far. Eish. Fana singayila. So far ntanga ushanda ukuphela ungathi udlalile. Angitholi and uyafika ama obvious kuya nokuthi ubuyavaya yabo. So vele uzodlala. Maya uSirino amathwandla uSirino. So Sirino uzohliza ichwandla mfana.
So are we saying ukuthi uShandu ila azocala khona ukushowcase talent yakhe? Wakathola isikhathi like game time ukuthi akhona.
Bangathola game time. Umnandi Shandu. Yena uyacaba yena.
Ubuyava before zoyangala
Maritzburg.
Ene
bekashisa blind.
Nabondlovu ne? Eze winga ne? Bekadlala eze winga remember before Pirates convert. So hayi ngimbonile nami ngalela game lela le
ukuthi uyamisa
le 2-1 ile tournament. Abekathi yangena. Bekangena ngondaba. Bekangena ngondaba mfana ngiyambona ngama cross lo.
Uyalazi.
Amnandi. For player long like iki nearly wing they converted to being a wing back. Nadi. So like dankacho ke see the competition kara ibile too much for yena until abava akathola di minutes la ku 7 seat. Not.
So in this case are we saying Devon City signed
the grand.
Okay, so but it's also dlaling we cannot say.
But win number 1.
Abasayina
grade.
Abayomnandi.
Abasayina grade.
Santsani bayibhatha akatsho jwalo ke santsani bayibhatha.
Abasayina grade. So I say King Fatih in a work and not King whatever. Jacob tournament
Rustiness. Never.
Between slow in general.
So
amagame engiwabukelile nje so far wonke slow the only game be entertaining isikhukhune nesasepolokwane nePN
PLK
Polokwane orange Polokwane City ne
Polokwane City
omadlandana lezi from isuka
liphele
tuning
abayihlabile bayibikhatheni ayihlavile so into engisho ukuthi iBetway man amateam aqala slow angazi why.
So like Betway phela nabo ma DStv kusasa DStv nani
like aqala slow
awucabanga ukuthi
mentality ama play
mentality ne nelona nokuthi kumele ba adjust ilona ama system wabo coach. Remember nabo coach nawo kuma transfer yabo so kumele ba implement philosophy yabo so like adapt like to the culture
elona ngabo coach are we saying they're not getting enough preseason ukuthi singabona ukuthi the coach will adapt to something.
Like 1 week is enough players.
Makamfana adapt to culture from
culture ka coach it's not easy.
Ayifani ne team mele zilinka
because dynamics amaningi
apha kubeke
remember mele ukujwayela environment
siyakhuluma la
lela game leli izona yabo
khuluma
big game
big
game
ledlalela fa lela 7P
ngiyangithola because of content noticile there was a moment where Chiefs they couldn't control the game iphasane and there was a moment where Downs they say shama long ball so you can tell ukuthi tactically ama analyst ekasiya so ukuthi lezi zeDowns ukuthi asihlabina ama long ball bese lezi asilitash ngithola so that's why ngitsho ukuthi like igame beli slow malicala ithe Downs yabamba rhythm yayo ecala yabamba pole position mangabe ucheckile stats nala that's why ngitsho ukuthi like ilikets I think is slow and then ama coach tactically now analento lokuthi tisipone bazoyenza I understand ilento lo besikhuluma ukuthi i difference league ne cup game azifani ngithola ithi sime kancane sibone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani compare nale game leyo bebalidlala during the week Downs the TS Galaxy bafike bama abahlabi TS Galaxy amaresh ezingihethile lezi zamara mababuya I understand that's what I'm trying to say it's like ilikethu is slow and the approach again uthi cala kanjani
and this is
ichange ngaphakathi
abakhulumela lama player nalabo coach
and this season I don't see they usually call them underdogs right I don't see them bowing down to the team because now they're like giving them challenge to a point ukuthi nayo yabona ukuthi okay hayi. Okay,
No,
but
no,
we're
no,
not
no.
yet.
Don't get it twisted.
They
Give pirates that.
No, don't
They
say
don't
that,
give
Baba.
this other
Aye,
two.
Baba. Don't say that.
They don't
This is a
give
game of
this other
football.
two.
This is a
They
game of
give
football.
pirates.
What do you mean they give pirates? What
because
do you mean?
Uyabonile amazulu ibambe pirates
Ngathi
kanjani?
ngiyibonile amazulu. What do you mean?
Uyibonile. I'm telling you what I
explain
mean.
it. Ungathi mina
Uyibonile.
ngibonile.
Awuyibonanga? Okay, uyibonile amazulu ibambe
Ngiyibonile.
pirates kanjani? Ibheke mabadlala ne-Chiefs ne-Sundowns.
Kwenzakala.
kuzoba amachwana kuzoba
Manje
amachwana
kuzoba
amachwana.
Kuzoba amachwana. Akuplan ne.
Kuzoba amachwana.
Let's say akuplan. Really obviously akudlala le Pirates. We make sure okay. Awuna team ebatla mo lose. We get a point or possibly we win.
Yeah.
Right? And other plan against and other team local player are playing against Pirates. Pirates on other playing it. You don't know. Same applies to Amazulu player. If playing against Kaizer Chiefs or Kaizer Chiefs playing against Amazulu. We don't know what's happening. And you saying, okay, my God, asibona ukuthi ubani ozaqala, asibona ukuthi kwenzakala. Ska game mobile. Game mobile na Kaizer Chiefs le Sundowns. We could see already nasabato Sundowns penetrated from Kamoha.
Yeah.
Not want badlala mu side.
That's why they had to play long balls.
Exactly. That's what like the center play 3.
Yeah.
One sorry, nasabatle movement there. So hence I'm saying over planning and preparations are not the same.
Yeah.
You might say why, or you might say Ramazulu aqinisa amongdlala ne Pirates.
I'm not saying amazulu. I'm saying all these things.
You can't say that.
The mentality have here changed.
Okay, it's your opinion.
Positive. Abadlala ne-Chiefs ne-Sundowns.
Abadlala ngani?
Simple example.
Mabadlala
Bekiswele.
Mabadlala
Sidlala
ngani?
ne-Pirates zenze sure ukuthi Pirates ayikori.
Yeah.
Mara against the-Sundowns ihlaba 7. Why approach change? Mabadlala ne-Sundowns.
Umtshwana.
But remember for that match, we were saying that match is questionable.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was questionable that match. It can't happen. It can't happen. Okay, mina le game le mina ukuya nami I would say le game le ithengisi. The way kwenzeke ngakhona. That's highly impossible. Ne Sundowns come on, bro.
So layer 75. 74.
Allegedly.
I'm with you on that one. Allegedly.
So yeah, we're just brushing off some things.
It's hot.
Okay, let's
It's
go
hot.
to Skuku. I'm up there again. Skuku.
Babinano. Ayadlala
Udlalile
Bekangekho izolo le. Udlale
Yeah,
Wednesday
udlalile.
against the Chiefs.
Oh, hey, phela ngibukeli. Yeah.
So Skuku kumele usibuthelezi. Ronaldo Kimang Marman.
Marman, yeah.
It's a set
Marman.
transfer.
Ki goalkeeper ke.
Yeah.
Ke batla usiyasala wena ngithi thina siya.
Cassandra Spain wena
Wena
wasa.
uyasala.
Jokoba lipizza ka Spain. Selile Spain nini wayile mnati.
Boma.
These are the team.
Yeah, but Bamba
Spanish.
Joshua, I'm not yet confident enough.
Oh, it's up.
Na vezi kushebela lapho.
5 defender.
Mina ngibangela ukuthi sebawini World Cup laba.
Awuba.
Ubonile?
Awuba.
Spain.
Spain.
If ngiyangena bathi dlala isibili. Ngithi kanti dlala nani? Badala ama-Brazil nasePitori.
There's one thing I cannot see. But there's one thing I cannot see.
Bayikayiwani Spain.
IKaizer Chiefs mfana as much as this piece of ball I'm two this piece in.
Yeah.
I'm 101%.
Yes.
Ukuthi makudlala iKaizer Chiefs everyone uyabukela. Everyone, and I mean everyone.
All the games.
It can be all the games, it can be one game, it can be, but everyone watches.
Magdalene Sundowns.
Nah, some. Maybe I'm a fan of when slightly.
Magdalene Pirates.
Some. Yeah, some.
Ziyakhala ke
I'm a fan
manje.
of Pirates, nalawo. Everyone. Umele itam for the Kaizer Chiefs. And lento le, yenza ukuthi nihlale nibhekele le game. Ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Hate watch. You know
Yeah, you don't hate watching, but you watching it.
No, I hate
Downfall. Ngeke simele downfall Chiefs.
Downfall.
Downfall.
Uzamile into engizwile.
Still
Yeah.
Dlala iSpain.
Against
Brazil. Ama-Brazilian
Brazil.
Wena kanti kwenzakalani kasi manje? Ngiyini sengiconfused.
That's what tabloids in page. Ukuthi sikhulume. Keep you talking. That's what they say.
Oh, and as
Mangena kuma social mean.
commenting
Ama flag.
It's Kaizer Chiefs. Uzuthena ngithi.
Yeah.
Uthe ama friends wethu wathi kudlala. Okay, not ama friends wethu. bathi dlala iSpain nama-Brazil.
Yeah.
Abanye bathi sifuna ukubona idla mthuthi izophelela.
Yeah.
Abanye like you understand. That's why ngithi
Yazi mina bathini izolo. Check i-comment bathi thina sihlele ezulwini sibabheke phansi ukuthi bayenzani emhlabeni. Kusho ukuthi
labantu
thina asikhathi sesithatha league last season. Besihlele ezulwini. Besibabhekela phansi abanye abantu. Oh hayi, mara soyilungile.
we were minding our own business.
Soyilungile.
Focusing
how
Soyilungile.
on the target.
Soyilungile. Hayi soyilungile.
yeah, let's move on.
Yeah.
Le nto masingathi ifetha ke focus okwenye. And kuzoba i3 against 1 kule panel. Kule panel.
Ngiyamfavor Mazulu.
As it is.
No,
Kule panel.
fana kuyakhuluma umehluko.
Ngiyamfavor Mazulu.
Okay, nelitse Ronaldo Marman Kimbise Krena.
Yeah, ke marmar.
Yeah, then Siphiwe Mahlangu athethe inkosi Mqaba ne. Mqaba. MCABA.
Athe inkosi. Mqaba.
Yeah. Then
ubuya ku Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
mara ngathi bakubeka ku
Ile
siwele.
yadlutsha. I think ile yadlutsha ni
Iyo le.
hey ufuna
Then
urile.
kuba no siyabanga Ndlozi Khumulemo Khoto.
Khoto.
Hey.
Sasa inosikhukhuni.
Yeah.
And then eba
Let's release.
Chibuke
Siyabonga Ndlovu.
Chibuke Ohizu.
Sile striker le.
Yeah, ile striker.
Yeah.
Yase Nigeria.
Yeah, it's just about that. Then abaphumile uRonaldo Lina obviously uzekithi okatlego Mohamme. Wabona bala mabitso. Thaba Monare, Bradley Gropla, Andy Buyeli, Linda Mtambo, Sean Mogaila,
Figure retire.
Lesiba Nku, le Lebogang Phiri, le Tresor Chibwabwa.
Yeah, my brother. As you can see.
Chibwabwa.
Kutse qeta ngo dibala tse. Alisoba
Yeah, this will be team kwanini.
umnaru Captain City.
Ibandla tse bane badlala
Go Skuku. Yeah.
But I feel like onke ama-team azogive up i-squad wonke umuntu uzosayina even if kungasi ama-signings awawo but everyone ufuna ama-player.
And it's too early to say. Maybe abanye futhi abakadlali.
Yeah.
Abanye njengoba lento benisho system in tactic nana. Mara October. Sizoyixoxa kahle le ndaba le October le. Le yalama player lawo wonke. Manje singabagaya
October na ifika. So ring after 5 games Grand Grand.
Yeah, 5 games. That's why ngithi yabona mina I can't judge.
After 5 games.
It's still early, Joe. Asimgayeni 5 games, 6, 7. But uyabona now. Yeah, ukuthi kuna something because manje beniyendlala neSundowns so.
That one is cooking. That one.
Beniyendlala
mara
neSundowns.
yazifana nani lento leyo ukuthi amazumedla nayo aqinisa nathi siyazi ukuthi madlala nalezi asaqinisa nala season the very same thing yakhumbula ukuthi sicela nisibambele neSundowns yala
No, nisho ukuthi ubonile Chiefs ikorile kuqala. Uyibonile but iSundowns still ayizange attack bonise kulama game indlala nabe inlanda makabe bamiss marizolo bebanganalento le kusho ukuthi khona into enzakalayo this side right
mara mfana kimantone kifandeki endlela koStellenbosch
Usale ngaphinda adlala. Izolo ngicela ukubikela.
Hawu uyayicaba. Uyicabisana
Isale threats
yazi lento le
So
Sasifuna
mara ngimboni kahle
lintwane kimang
sasifuna.
Titus I think
Yeah.
Yeah, mara.
ilile kara
yeah uyengada
neliona fanbake Titus libo edlala ngoko koSundowns striker Reyners libo
Nabo Adams.
anonyiwa Stellenbosch
So wena okay ngine question for you.
yeah buza
Uthi izolo ne ukhuluma igame la izolo. So do you think it's experience over new tactics one or played the game?
Which game? FNP.
Yeah, FNP.
Oh.
Yeah, FNP.
bafethu Peter Mabitso wanzele
Chiefs
FNP
neSundowns.
thank you
No, I mean what I'm saying is it Chiefs as a new coach.
Yeah.
It's early to judge the match.
Yeah.
Because obviously samela yenza ubuchwanhla bakhe then bese siyabona ukuthi
yakuzomela yenza 100 before
yangithola So but mina what I'm saying is i-Sundowns i-Chiefs ikore kucala. Noma i-Chiefs ikorile i-Sundowns beyingabonisa ukuthi izokora manje ilifuna le goal le. The way i-Sundowns idlala ngakhona usiyazi
That's why
ukuthi sobalala. So what I'm saying iyayizwa question yakho. What I'm saying is shoot ikhona into enzakalayo ku-Chiefs grand a-positive tactics ngale coach lo omusha. Mara yayibona ukuthi ayikaka noma kusudlalile bafethu yeah mara
That's why
compared to okusesimaziyo
ngizo-agree
Yeah.
ukuthi nentonyana enzakalayo positive thing
ama-interceptions wakhe he was very quick ngoku-intercepted
Interceptable.
ama-disc and beka-attack bekafaka i-pressure into engiyinothise ngayo
awudlalile
as to compare to
uyazi
previous
ukuthi
season.
unama
mara
siyazi
Never-
mara uyabona ukuthi
every
okay,
time
yeah.
akhona uyithwele
Yeah,
Yeah.
yaphasa mrawo.
every time like let's say for an example if u receive a ball and ball eo inale chance ya shaya count usheba mrawo for yona okay udlalile njengokusho but le bit ngathi akafuna ukuyena
day by day we're gonna
Yeah,
improve.
kunala besidlala igame lethu lokuqala njengo I think isikhukhuni kunala besi-attack khona wajika untwana wama kancane then washaya pass wa pinpoint I think yathola umfundi athi ushaya igoli lapha yamfethu decision wise it was okay but lapha bekufuna ukuthi yangithola bathole basa panic bangaka bangaka settle then punish because mazoqala umuthi ala ukuthi babuye bonke masebedlala kahle sebabheke sebasifacile sonke yabo ya
let's go.
Makwenza la
Ntwana ntwana seyima kancane uyakakhuluma ngamagame
esinqome
awuqede lapho fasizonke amagame ngoba senijahe khona lirati
okay Richards Bay
nokela straight kana
singena ku Richards Bay
Rich boys.
yeah
The Rich Boys.
abangeni siyabonga Gumede Philani Sithebe Khayelihle Mnqube Nqaba hey Qulu Nqaba ize Nqaba Qulu
Atsuke lokho already izona.
Milford ngathi ubuya ku Milford ne
Yeah, uyo korre. Ah, beka kulo.
yakulo
Number 25 uyo korre.
okay lesiphamandla ngcwele Thamsanqa Ndelu enhlakanipho Ngqobo yeah
awu
Then-
size nice
abaphumile kahle okay let's just say
Yeah,
ama player asayini
yeah.
basically then kuba uThakusani Mthethwa Lindokuhle Mjali Sibangani Zulu and Salim Salim kimang yo bisele ya
Kyara kwa Afrika
Usibanga Pirates
makasanga Santanalda
yakhiye lusibanga nzulu yiyo
Yakhiye.
le
ngakubona ngathi abasayina ngama player bhayi okay yabo okay
abasayinanga
bakhipha amancane nabakhipha ngaphayi
the Rich Boys.
Ubona big player man.
then singene ku Golden Arrows
yeah they have to make one
Golden Arrows abangenile Erwen imabitso wafethu Agnikoi then Mnqobi Gumede le Ronaldo van Niel
Bahambile.
Arus.
bangenile
Ilaba bangene.
abaphumile Siyanda Ndlovu Keenan Phillips Philani Sithebe Luandle Kimambanjwa Sanele Shabalala Thabo Matlawa etle ingovusa wena don't imathanka thing same style of play either way
Thabo Matlaba
yeah then Cledwen Shithole usasela I think Thabo Matlawa iyachaya
5 to retirement this one.
unangaki
Khoro.
ase ya khrudu Matlawa
unangaki
Something.
30 something 35
Sekayadlala for fun.
Italy
Anytime anga-retire. Anganaso ukuthi retire because of akana team.
singena ku Siwelele is the last one for today
It's the last
transfer
one
yeah.
Aye.
Then in sikhuluma ngo is it Jensen Clifford Njabulo Ngcobo then Silayelo Rasebuja Thabiso Sesani then abaphumile Ricardo Boss Aphiwe Baliti Gambini Lungu ke mang Gabe Moralo ne Gabe Moralo
Neo Rapo
ya Mohlale Ngwato Neo Rapo Happy Mashiani Nyiko Mobi Samgelo Zwani Chibuike Ozui.
Elobonile usamukela uzwane lezi za ku-Chiefs lezi bebazilonile ku-Chiefs ziya ku-NFT again.
Including 9.
Is it because of the coach not
Samukelo
seeing
Zwane.
something on these boys, or they want them to go outside and get game time
Phela
for
sometimes
experience or something? I don't know.
sometimes ucoach uthola ne-squad of 30 and uma uzo-add 33 like uzo-add 3 enye.
Angithi khona manje basabheka
Assess.
ukuthi bafuna basa-assess.
That's why nokuthi bamba umoya kuphi kuphi angizona.
Actually, game time.
Thola i-game time. Yeah, most
Hayi ukuthi uhlale ube rust.
Yeah, angizona. So I think nalento le into bayi-avoidayo vele.
Okay. Then ke singene ke kule ntwana le first debut eshayile khosane uPatrick izona.
Yeah.
Is it Plachi?
Like
Plachi.
this,
Like Friday.
There's still Friday.
Clutch.
Yeah, Friday.
It's all fun, don't it? Did you see? Or best
I think it's all from Kotlas.
Yeah, mara it's too early mfana to say.
Yeah, okay, it's too early, but for his debut Mfana.
Yeah, no,
I
that's
think
a-
he's the first player
Yeah.
for PSA.
No, that's a big thing. That's a very
Even if it can be early, go na lento le na mo
Eh, mara eish, manje pressure man.
Kevin Hunt
Hey,
udlala
yazi
ngey'ntwana,
bafethu.
ne?
Ley'ntwana lezi bafethu.
Udlala ngey'ntwana, ne?
Ubani?
Kevin Hunt.
Ngeke.
Mathupha.
and Butsata wabona nthi ubona pressure.
Ngeke.
Pressure akayithola ko medium.
Yeah,
But
ngisho
it's
kanjalo.
kaMuntunga.
Ngisho kanjalo ukuthi no, maso yabo sombeka la. Noma ngabe sibone ukuthi okay,
Yeah.
sambona leli quality. Masingamgayi diving le because
Too
actually
much.
lentwana zanu yabona.
Mara bafethu mina for me I
Mental
think
health,
it
no.
looks promising because in a decade mfethu we've been like struggling ukuthi sibe with our own but in very base play ukuthi strikers like you understand. So ukuthi ukhona
Mfana le
like little way position angikade ngibona game kade like you could tell or so is a complete
is
striker.
good. Yeah, ngoba vele yabona we are hungry for a striker ne. So noma kuvela ichwandla sizol hype up because we are hungry to see South African strikers so
Into
bang
kudala
amagoli
sayiqina.
yabona. Yeah, abo Sean Bartlett, Benny McCarthy, striker asinazo ma nokuzovela umbuthu.
But it should be a motivation.
It is mfana
So ukuthi hey baba
mara no sengiyasaba yabo sorenga ngayo
then abe over
bese
The cloud,
sithiyo
then
ya bese masekacala masekumele yenza phela kumele yenza mistake
Yeah.
umuntu masekawayenza
njengoba uthi
mistake
umenza ama mistake amaningi.
hayi umbuthu mfana
Judge.
lawa kusasama mistake
You need partner.
hayi lawa kusasama mistake sekuyenye isingakhona nokuyirisa so angifuni ukuthi makafika la bese aya ngithola kumele makazi noma yenza ama mistake utamana human nami ngenza ama mistake singibuyele no ngithola
Ngizomhebe sit-downs.
I like doubt ukuthi umbuthu umuna lento le obvious uyalazi udaba yazi bazoyenzani ngaba mhebs sengiyibonile system yala hayi ukuthi ngiringa blind mara sengiyibonile ngaba mhebs bazothatha uRenas bamgayi ama problems bese bathi kuye angasayini team ngayi avayele njengo
Yeah, like mabafaka bakhipha ngendlela engekho.
yeah abakhipheli PSL bazokisa kuyanga bakise kulawo ma team lawo
Ase-Afrika.
ayafrika uyele uvawile ukuthi ungabagama
Kunenye caption engiyibonile. Njengoba ukhuluma ukuthi bazobayisa le kuya kanani. Because you know vele when it comes to development of infrastructure and everything like South Africa, by far I would say we better. I don't want to put us there because we the best, but we better. I-caption yakhona siphumbule bathi mfana suka ku-greener pastures. La udlala khona mangibheka i-ground la bekadlala khona mfana athi
Semhlathuzi.
Mflathu.
Angilibonile.
ungathi kusemhlathuzi qonda semhlathuzi
Wawuphula wayisithi swimming pool grounds. Ayikanokela lebujamo.
Shayitsa amaya.
mara bafetish
Ama-Arab amzwile mfethu.
Ayijwejweva vele isikhathi samanje ngithola.
Secure the boat.
Iphethe yona.
Secure the
Middle
bag.
East ntwana.
yeah kimgodla
Ishadile.
So, yeah.
uzobona sikabona
But yeah, now I would say at least positive thing is coming actually for PSL in regards to Lempana Low Plage. Like we could see, okay, development is not so bad. You understand? But now, I want to let him
Which one?
le wesidlala nayo. Yabona le team le wesidlala nayo. I think mfana like when we speak about development now from what I've seen, like baqala from Opula mthanda kwakana like our is it our vision actually go make is ukuthi we want to start from grassroots level and everything. That's what they actually doing. Intwana encane nabo ma9 top goal scorer sekathole golden boot, like you understand, that's like a motivation ukuthi intwana yami iqala la
ku Sundowns
yeah
bayenza kanjalo
yeah
They had a tournament.
ama tournament wabo that's what they actually do iqala la to the small ones.
Yeah, under 9. I think.
yeah but ingapheleli la ngithi ngizala ukuthi nizoyenza everything right with development, but
Not promoting players.
why are you not promoting players? Why are we not seeing them?
and one ngabagayi
Why do you have phela lela chwantla lelabo bel strike izolo ukuthi nginitshelile ngathi chwantla leya ukuthi nje iyavela nje ivele si
But
Yeah.
se Colombia le Colombia
nginitshela ngathi chwantla leya ukuthi nje iyavela yangithola fana imagine fana if bebagayi bani lentwana bebayigayi chance Tuesday
umkwena
why bangayigayi
Bennett.
chance
anet
Mkwena nasakena
nathi ukeniseke na
emaka mnati lona nto
qala negame
maka kile lenye siyayicho ngoba
adlale That's how- players ubonile ukuthi cheese bagayi lentwana leya
Bartman
konje kima ngigame esikhukhuni
yeah
Lentwana le-
ngwe ubani Ngwetsa
yeah, let me go DTC.
yeah
yeah ubonile coach mgayi
Shut
chance
up, shoulder
uzwile
ball.
makombuza ucoach uthi usasemncane maso mgayi chance makasomfundisa vivi ukuthi kunezinto kumele uzenze izinto maka yena umnandi
That's how you grow a player.
yangithola buzana uCarlos mawubuza uCarlos ngeyangiphila uzokutshela ngosalini mawumbuza ngani uzokutshela uhlala adivert izolo bambuze ngokukapa lento beyenzakala izolo ukapa ukhuluma ngabunduli
anemali mas physical
undulu ngena vako ngoba
frustrations okay so yeah
udada vako manje
so that's why ngithi mfana we have to see these players mina mfana that's why ngikutshela if we player uzibona ukuthi wena so
big
mina team mele kuvayise mfana akhona ama player afana nawe ana 13 i5 usawathatha way 5 kuleyo salary yakho siyekhathi na3 yazoba mnandi azodla i-first team
ungaba i5
lawa amanye wahambisa kulama team abo NFT nani ngiyangithola ama player ngeke akhule ngokufana
And apha-
there we know
le strategy sa Pirates sesawulona di play Pirates kibona system yabona like let's say for example kana le squad selong we know this is a winning formula then you check the players selong ditule ka montle they performing ne if they batiliza mo ba khutisa players abona they still have there wangithola they don't lose that much hence the player it's good to loan them out so that they get that experience but okay this is how it's actually happening adlala as players khukhuni akikhutela ko Kaizer Chiefs I know or is khukhuni ni chimal bona bas I know rabato betsa kae ka go wangithola that's experience. You think it works it works in our favor, like team lo ngwa idlala currently or maybe team ena ba lo nile kona go tla pet montu.
so I am fine isafa isigayebo ma 50 million zishiwo magazine ngasithatha ama players wafake ku PSL ngoba abafuni ntanga so busy sibukela mfana I know mfana into mental health issue ezima outjidini into serious but kawo ngeke kawo kunabantu abafuna ukudlala nabantu abafuna ukuspara kuleyo salary yakho leyo uholayo 200,000 bayikhatha off kayi4 bakubhadala ama player i4 mfethu amancane
La bazakhuphuka because abazayitest le mali ngeke bazokutshela bathi imali
yeah mase seba grant sebamnandi lapho uyokhona ukurenew contract umgaye something egrand but mfethu you are busy whining but bakhethe ku18 man squad awuzi bakhethe kuphi awuzi ntanga mayemele bancenga ama feelings wakho mfethu mangaba ukho grand into engishilo la sithi bengamelanga sayo
usekhona
abatshela ngicela break no ngilungisa whatever
isolation
ngibe mnandi ngizobuya manje phela uyazimoshela phela yabona ukutshela ukuthi
nobuya
ne-group chat yama onawo ama-team
nobuya
uzobona ngosalini
nobuya mfethu yabona ukubuya kwakhe noma ngabuyela uMadebeni City esikhukhune even if kwamela iminyaka okay
It's gone.
it's gone right
28 years.
khona manje sokwinto ukuthi uphusha lento ephushayo and retain whatever the into zokuqhuba like lifetime membership.
Allegedly naku-Orbit ndanga be-Gurren nabantu bada
Yeah.
akavayanga Gurren.
Oh, same attitude.
Yeah, so who's the problem?
Then uyinkinga makasishilo
And
last week
then
sathi inkinga.
The tableau actually abanye abantu they trying to cover it with media lento ukuthi it might be izinto like personal lento letingabo sangoma ndlezi type of thing. Yabona ukuthi
Ngibonile la eating le cause
leyo sithini ngayo nje without speculating.
that is why ngithi take a break.
So let's say you take a break and then akubi noshintsho womehluko.
Then it's a you problem. Okay, it's
Yeah, it is a him.
I
I understand, but it is a him
Yeah.
him problem, right?
Team.
Okay. It is a him problem, right? It is a him problem as we speak right now.
Yeah.
Then we are humble pants. It's still a him problem. Then isn't as loon. It's still on him. So how not us? Okay, maybe South Africa, maybe, and Nabata Wutiba close to him. How do we actually try and help him out in regards to Leon?
Yabona mangithi ahlale phansi sathi break. Angisho usahlala.
Nama ngisho ukuthi de.
Angancedo some but asikho close naye thina. Angeke sikhona ukumnceda. Because asazi nokuthi kwenzakalani. Siyafihlelwa uyale, siyafihlelwa uyale, siyafihlelwa. Ama allergic ngapha ngapha asicabi. Abantu abacavayo bamnceda umntwana. If idinga bonyanga nana khona unkomo iyahlaba limhlathuzi
Hayi khona makhuluma ngaphansi.
amshanga amakhathi nina nithe
Ngamakhathakhathi.
ngamshanga amakhathakhathi abi grade angithola other than that mfethu sizoyenzana honestly
If it's a personal issue, you should step away from the team.
Okay.
Get some support from your family and friends. People are close to you.
Abantu abazi
Yeah,
situation.
I understand.
Umuntu ophila nawo
Yeah.
People are close to you can support you to that extent. Nah, but if you wanna bring change into your life, yes, we can take you. I see ya. Semhlatuza manje ngona yokukapa manje.
Ngene manzi.
Sharp.
Sihlala.
But you shouldn't. But it shouldn't take long because of if you check like sometimes keeping out to fund vehicle I feel undlovu or like everyone.
Yeah, undlovu.
Like there's planes,
cash.
no cash. There's planes.
That's what I'm saying.
There's planes. So
That's what I'm saying. Ukuthi uyaphi ngiyacabangani
it can't
makaya.
take long to recover and stuff, but just so you know, there's
Na
other
futhi
There's
people.
always someone.
Yeah, there's
Lento
always someone who
ke
can
mfethu.
replace you.
Uthola ukuthi yena besekazelela imali angithi yasazi ukuthi
Sharp.
Okay, now this
Yeah,
12
so
years
get
told
it.
manje.
yeah uyathola this drive sengisho
Mara,
ukuthi in regards to
Again,
ukusayina ngithona khona ukuthi mangaba ngasayinanga
athendanga i-selection. Nasi isiJwabu solid, mara uzanga ku-selection team.
I terminate contract.
You understand?
season,
Those are the things that can damage your image as a umuntu dog. Like you never recover, even if it's not sign it's Skukuni. Skukuni is a checky behavior yakho dog. Wena wasokolisa
Very
wena.
influenced.
One thought. Check konjubani le ntwana le. Phakamani mahlambi.
yeah
He was a good player. But because of alcohol and ladies and stuff, not
Of
attending
fame.
training.
nale konjubani
Yeah,
nale
must
bedlala
Son is all.
no
Must be sanezongo.
Zuma lo bekagijima Kaizer Chiefs le ntwana esilenda la konjubani
Yeah,
Sikhuluma
uZuma.
ngodwa Zuma
Mm.
le the very
Yeah.
same thing alcohol
So
consumption
into engisho ukuthi like if ba-check i-behavior yakho ba-analyze wena uzosokolisa la ethimini. So angeke usathola i-team ezofuna
how many chances did Saleng get actually from Pirates with this situation?
Apha.
Mfana.
Okay, sharp. Wait, I'm just asking this question because I want to relate it to Sipombulu.
Apha. You know why?
Is it the same situation in Sipombulu? Sipombulu, he had problems that
But
we
he
didn't
came-
know
but he
of.
came
Yeah,
to
like
the
I just
selection.
he came to
Yeah.
the selection. Senkhulumela ukuthi maybe let's say he's got personal whatever things that's
Yeah.
happening, right? And the team's giving him opportunities. How many opportunities did Sipombulu get?
Okay. Cela ukukhulumela umbule ngathi.
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi
No, like the question ngale ndlela yokuthi
Yeah,
manje,
yeah, yeah.
I'm just trying to
Angimfeel.
see ukuthi kwenzakalani.
i-difference yakhe noSaling is umbulu uyazi ukuthi ngisayine contract. Ngiyazi Jimmy. Ngaba ngikhethile. Ngiyaya la. Angithi ngisayine contract.
Whether you're bad,
Whether ngimanzi ngize ngimanzi or ninja. But
ufuneka esipanini.
esipanini. That's what I was saying uSaling. Akajimi 5 hours. for ukuthi angalela pizza wine uya 2 hours ejimini uyabuyela na
Rehabilitation.
how many hours uzoyihlala endlini uzothola unenyuku nepetrol nemoto uyofuna usizo uyeza ejimini maku 8 minutes squad uya
Uyeza
8 minutes squad okumele egaming uye egaming mara stick ujakula ngapha nangapha because of economy le kuyanywa
I think this
iyadinga inye mara angayenzi so
it goes back to human behavior. You know why? Because kwamanje yabona ukuthi okay ithi ngiyenze ngathi kanje siyahuzuka ngithi sifuna ukuthi show magazine kube the top and
Yeah.
everything. We want to succeed through this, right? And it must have and it's very effort. Nefana. Ngene ibisi lingene sesinoku relax antonyana.
Mina lizongishintsha mina ngitshedile
listen.
lizongishintsha
Lingene ibisi ne sokuba noku relax anyana asashute webe shoot
Yeah.
ngakhona before.
don't respect time
Yeah, basically.
it's
Then-
isho kanjalo.
Along the way, remember whatever that you do catches up with you.
Yeah.
Right? A science in lose whatever in and then you regret after some time ukuthi eish
Nkabi.
ankabe yabona.
Yeah.
So I want to understand ukuthi usuka la you were hungry uyalithola ibisi ugrand now you need to maintain or maybe surpass the roof uyamosha then masongaragela side sokhumbula la.
You
into
need-
yakhumbula sina nge-situation kadini
Yeah, Dino Bravo.
yakhumbula
Yeah.
sisinge ngale nto leyo I think saringe ngale nto leyo yila nje ngoba kuyathi yena ibisi lizomshintsha ngize ngithi ukuthi uyashayela no
Lambile.
ulambile kufika umuntu la athi amadoda sponsor naye
1 meter.
1 meter every month sesigrand no sesimnandi yonke into sesikhona ukuyenza kamnandi sinama mic yonke into
Yonke
depends
into
na
imnandi.
camera 2011 yonke into imnandi do you think ukuthi you would wanna go back to shooting to this mic
Nah.
Never.
exactly that's what I was saying ukuthi masoda kumele wena ube nediscipline wena ukuthi no
Yeah,
That's what
attitude
you-
yakho.
that's what
Those
are the
human
two things.
behavior.
Attitude
Those are
yakho.
the
That can
human
carry you.
behavior.
those things they have to carry you wazi ukuthi yazi I can't go back there angithola
Way
so
beyond.
back to situation yasale sale ngiyazi buya le ekasi le
Emahashahasheni.
emahashahasheni
Little mahasha.
Shouldn't go pay me
Ufika
half.
la
ufika la ufika la ukhona no so khona uku-afford indlu
Like umnandi.
khona ukubuy
Lento
And at the time,
ukhona ukubuy
Ngenkathi
iphone,
afika.
no?
ufike vele kuyiplayer ubona ukuthi ale lalambile like.
Uyangithola
And then wasayinwa, walonwa, nani yangithola.
Uyangithola
So up until kuyenzakala whatever yenzakele lapha kuphakathi ku dressing room. Because if you can check mabambuza sale are you okay? Important your question.
Yeah.
Checking well-being.
yakho.
Check
Yeah.
well-being.
Besides you being
Sharp.
physically fit,
so
but
Sharp.
mental, you need to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sharp
Yeah.
said
I was included something
Yeah,
that
sure.
so it shows it was a review
Ubone something. No,
Yeah.
nakudocumentary
Not
ushe
only ubukela ibhola but
ushe
Analyze on.
yeah.
Yeah.
ushe Rivero wathi hayi you saw good like some of other players are not okay.
Yes.
And then at the ngaleyo moment leyo Saleng was not okay. We wouldn't know ukuthi yini lebeka ngakho.
I go through you.
Exactly. So bambuza la what's wrong? Sise game no. Funa udelive.
And you know,
Awusikayi next.
akusulo muntu
Exactly,
ongimaziyo.
exactly.
Yeah.
So with Mikal Nanfetu like mindset ya Saleng akutsibo ukwenza itsing whatever yenza itsing kaye nemkhawathile kayilinye.
Sure.
Wanthola. So
Mentally.
mentality emshayile like
Yeah.
mental health mthonyana re ka di bad mental issues. But then lino up until fana ga go tsebo go tsala ka sale. So he kind of like faces the similar situation and I face at our Pirates or which Pirates in his face anal dining and then Pirates name protect as to whatever a carousel chill on Casading or uko isolationing and stuff and all that. I got
And then fana- Environment is very
Wanthola.
influential.
I understand.
Yeah, because
boya environment
Let's say-
enye bheda
no, besides asibekele side. Ne. Nangu sale khula ekasi emahashahasheni yabheda but endlini spoil break. Okay, I'm not saying it's
Yeah.
spoil break, but it's spoil break. Imutolo ring abacala babukelena uyaduba.
The last ball.
Uyangithola?
like cheese
One minute.
Uyaduba. uyangithola uyaduba and le nto leyo mfethu like it becomes a habit
Yeah.
and leyo habit leyo sokuyinto ukuthi sophila ngayo and uma sophila ngayo it's not easy for you to let go of it because sekuwe
Yeah.
and manje uma ufika endaweni
So
let's say for an example ufika endaweni ama-play pirates nani sonke samtshela ukuthi ayintona mnandi nani wayafaka ekhanda so bese kafuna ukuthi addresswe as i-star se-pirates
Yeah.
you understand
You
not
can't be
as a
bigger than
player,
the
because
program.
of-
You know,
That's it.
like
abona ukuthi team nyana tse kgolo you can't be bigger than the team.
you
yeah,
can't bruh.
because of
all the teams.
And
That's
then, all the
teams
team,
you
that's why
can't.
Kecho
Whether-
goes in these teams.
whether-
Never.
Pirates kufike unkola
Yeah.
wafika urile
Mm.
konje ubane ulinye
Eh,
wing
baningi mfana ngaba from Winnipeg.
yeah isifuna ngeperiod kaSaling
Eh.
you understand
Mhm.
like it shows that like there's so much talent that you can get out there dog. Like there's so much talent that you can find angithola so don't think ukuthi makuyi prime yakho or era yakho no ucanga ukuthi angeke iphela izophela because of izoceda izinto
time
ezincane
waits for no man
izoceda izinto
That's why
ezincane
abona re ka compare le ka attitude ya Saline and their read. Kaba
Yeah.
attitude ya mfana for a young boy olo no ntwana nyane mindset ya high wanthola like attitude ya high approach the game humbleness by yeah
That's
nice
what
as
you
a
see.
person
How you
wanthola.
carry
He
yourself.
knew what he wanted.
Hence
He
I
knew
said
what he
the
was doing.
environment
Yeah.
hence I said the environment it's very influential
yeah
ngeke sazi ukuthi urile kule dladla uma kulukhuliso kanjani
kanjani
Yeah, I'm told.
as for usaleni ungakhulisa endlini right but if you expose nezintweni ezingekho brand 24/7 yes you might be mosendlini urespecte yabo lento le mawuphima stradeni so ushavu
Oh, bamthumo.
izinto efana nalezo
And
so hence I'm saying ukuthi urile ubuye ubuya kwe-environment egrade abazali
Yeah.
nani then wafikela ezandleni zokuthi kunama-hotman laphaya
Yeah.
azomlayitisa nomakhawula sibisi nani nani ukuthi intwana yami
umnari
sidlulile la ukhona you need to humble yourself you need to do 1 2 3 4 for you to actually excel in life where else maybe on the other hand amosalengi he had it bad I'm not blaming it on it but he had it bad but that on its own had an influence imthelelo ukuthi how can you behave like this ekubeni uyazi ukuthi uyaphi
yeah
you understand hence I'm saying it's human behavior but at the same time even
But-
the environment it's it's
again before
Yeah,
sizoyivala le
that's
chapter le Pirates nama leadership apaya on and
Yeah,
off
my
the-
leader
the
apaya.
field.
Mm.
The likes of like Ilhwati, Piche,
They're still there.
they are still there.
Machense Mtali,
They're still there. Those guys are still there because
leaders on top of leaders
yeah, I understand. Those guys, if like you have problem, hey, hot man, shawakin so, and donaka, ambamo you diploma ko club house, I'm sorry. Avoid it into the qualification, you diploma la no share happy, share the drinks. Ai, di ba le dintho tseo. Re ko ringele le ngam la gore o tholele two room nyana kae. We bahlala eduzen la uzokona travel for a training. Minimize mfethu
Cost.
i-cost or discipline yakho you understand mangabe uyakhululeka ukuziphatha kahle ayi mfana ngicela ukuhlala nawe mfana siya mfana yabo I know ukuthi siya it's une discipline you understand une discipline ngiyazi ukuthi angeke sojaba sizoshaya i-training mfana ngibona ukuthi i-training bengekho mnandi mfana ngi-improve ba in izinto ezinjalo sizoncedana so angazi ukuthi usale ngushawa yini until today we don't know but we move
kahle kahle
sharp
esikhulumile kuma mental health and
Usale-
everything.
usale-
yonke
So,
mfana
yeah.
Usale-
So, yeah, but that's like decide to rinkile nako e kakang besides to rinkile nako e kakang 3 weeks and everything but then these are the things that needs to be heard
yeah
and addressed so we might be bashing not knowing the root of everything never mind that asikhulume ngamagame ngoba sesizoyivala nje sekuselela just touch up nje
Ngifike-
Yeah. It
Which one?
came Chiefs and Sundowns. How do you feel about that?
Okay, it was not a good start of the game, but the game kept on being entertaining. Changes, amanye affected team, amanye anced the team. So yeah, overall it was a good game.
No.
Min.
Yeah.
Oh, min. Oh, Me. me. As mina ngibonile. Hayi mina khona into engiyibonile mina.
Yeah, yini le Australia.
Ngibone okay, Chiefs ne.
Yeah.
Ngicala nge-Chiefs. Chiefs there were moments la pressure i-Sundowns khona, and then Sundowns left with no answers in terms of speed. We all know ukuthi Sundowns is speed when it comes to defense. Abekho mnandi, abekho fast. And the Chiefs, they could have buried the game is all. Only ukuthi nje bebangekho composed enough for me. But then defense-wise, I felt ukuthi uCruz uye wathuka kancane. Bekafuna ukuba
compare.
Bekafuna ukuba like ukuba on the safe side.
Yeah.
With the engingaconsider more because if I know i-Sundowns angithola. Mawutabheka on the other side, the Sundowns one was the weakest team according to me of the game. Yes, according to me. Baleke equality. We all know ukuthi players Chaba mayikhona influential kangakanani ku game egaming. So Chiefs was dominant immediately for me. Hence Njebe udlalile mawabani. Njebe vele udlalile mabani ngemboni. Njengoba nekesho yena khitsa dipolo tseni. Ke yena mthona nankare wetsa Spain la.
Uthini ngomkhulisi.
Nice.
Amthola. So Sundowns was the weakest. Sundowns was the weakest. Mara for Chiefs to defend 5 defenders. Yeah, I know.
Okay.
There's the Spanish team. You can't defend 5 defenders.
Okay, yeah, Spanish team on Facebook.
Attack and kill the team.
So the thing.
And then into lastly. Yeah, lastly. And Njebe must fit. Tlamela lokisela in the high school era side.
High school.
Yeah. Wa ipheta le ntse a qadileng ka tsona. Pila ke la di etsa Raidens. So nka go khutlela ra. Consider 2 goals. Similar mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay, so call offside trap will goalkeeper. Mfete beso kenya goal ba re bone. Somewhere Golden Rose. Le mabane mfete I mean Mailula the shortest. Akakuinika le Mikel. And then what na advantage amozo and then Mailula Chief.
Ono champelang why no compete if never win a ball.
Exactly. So like na yakai. So like
because if Begal head location la goalkeeper bekazolibamba so.
Bengeke be ne power
Put in the communication yakhe
That's
why I give it to
because then you know why so tampola tla so how commit because ushabile the way flow anga thing le halfway header never really impact the part so fela yena eme ground I receive a ball o atso fela akwale mahla punch ehlwa muthi akwele ball
Akwala makhe.
wetsa so o rata wa bona ntse a rata so ushabe nepetsa ka ofela o rata o
Asisa mabali kisibo.
Akavalanga mina.
mara mfethu leto mara okay
Ushayeka nje ukhethe ukuthi ungaphansi
ebobo ibhola nayo vula umzimba mfethu ukesha ungaka if you competing for the ball if you're not competing for the ball then you buy
enye into
ucishe wasikhosta ngale
mfana nokuyinika bamfake phakathi ulona ucash
ene malula ufast
waze wakora boyithuka la
Mina mfana mina ngifuna ukubringa manje.
So igame nje beyi
goalkeeper mfana.
alina goalkeeper
Angiplay goalkeeper mfana. Ngiplay goalkeeper mfana. Yabona situation ka
goalkeeper muphi
we-Chiefs. Williams Chwana. Goalkeeper ngithola goalkeeper ntanga. Goalkeeper ntanga. Goalkeeper ntanga. Da if bengangenza ngale mistake A1 yeah A1 3 points in a pair lokuyi 3 points
straight
angithola bahlale ezulwini antisizulu lapho
9 points
bahlale ezulwini izulu lekhiza
simple
goalkeeper ngabe bekangaphumanga lapha le yama cross eGolden Arrows ngabe iChiefs idlala neSundowns semi final
simple.
So it's times like this when a coach has to take out the problem
and bring out something
and put it there as Trabai. Because you bring back the problem, it's gonna be a Mbutuma problem. You see, we have a Mbutuma problem at Pirates.
We're gonna witness it, Fanda.
Pirates, Mbutum, big Melebam keep. Yeah,
I want
it's fine.
I guess Gaba.
Yabona ntanga ngobakhiphe line up uhlala ku11 mase bakhipha 2 games 3 games uyabona ukuthi uba worried ukuthi
as a player ube worried
ngithola uzobuza. He's not a bad player Mara
And
uthatha
another
ama
thing,
decision.
I think the reason why Umbuthuma he's not trying to improve himself. Not a
Comfortable.
competition.
Oh.
Like not a competition. Noma ngasibhekela ama-game walo muntu la ubani uHaaland bekadlala le.
Haaland ake.
Ubona uHaaland wathema ke.
Asekutsho la yini.
Siya
Siya.
Haaland wathema ubachilo uzwala se.
Siya. Haaland ake kuskini
Yeah,
izinto.
ke Haaland wathema. Mame
Ayikumlandi favor manje.
Haaland ake ntwana yami ungampeki.
yeah manje
Yeah,
ufuna ukubona
Ntwana.
ukuthi if uThemu angafaka ipressure kuMbuthuma maybe kabathi because nambona kutshele bani Mbuthuma is not a bad player bro. You know mfana kuze ngibona ukuthi Mbuthuma is not a bad player. Remember I think it was last season lapho mpasi ball the way he was composed lawa itrapper khona wathi ngiyasha keep us commit wakona. It shows ukuthi leso striker leso sikhona ukusela ngamanzi eboxini umuntu okhona
for 4 months.
like what's happening asazi ukuthi skipper. But anyways nami ngicela ufake input yami ku Kaizer Chiefs please.
Umbuthuma wafethu ungimile mfisi.
Yazi why?
Cala negame.
Uqala negame.
Yazi why? Izomfaka le.
Ana coach.
Yazi why?
Mara mfana I feel like now you are
Yes,
not
why?
protecting the player.
Yazi why?
True.
Izomfaka.
You are not protecting the player. Now you are just killing him.
Izomfaka le ya.
You know why?
For i-game model yakhe ucoach the way afuna ukuapproach ngakhona.
I agree with you kulento ukuthi they're not protecting the player.
No, I'm talking about
Yabona
the player.
uMbuthuma,
Now you are not
ngiyakuthola.
protecting
Abangamncintsha
the player.
ama-game ayi-3 ilazobona khona ukuthi njengoba
Like
usho ukuthi ilazobona khona ukuthi okay kunento e-wrong uzorealize ngisho ukuthi manje
Into
akakazi
siyishoyo yakithi. Ake savumelana ngathi
Why
nje.
angarotate?
Akamrotate.
Yamthola.
kunento ayibonayo
Akamrotate.
Unda Bugalili was on the bench. Sibelebela was on the bench. Bugla bani i-right wing.
Usibelebile ucele no company lungu.
Lungu. Yeah, mara Sibelebela
Naye
waqedela
didn't they uzomcosta because of ilimiter ulungu.
Yeah, waqedela Lungu.
Akadlali.
Nodansini naye.
Look and see another try.
And uqalile VV.
Another try.
Mfana yami.
Bengifuna ukukhala nangondaba. Bheka le goal offside.
Asikhulume ngendaba.
Hale njami. Hale njami. Bheka le goal.
check everything ne-show
Bheka le game lamazulu.
Why are you being emotional?
Livela vale lapho le kuliphi side.
Mntwana yami.
Likandaba. Bheka igoli leDurban City ku-MTN 8. Livela vale la goal. That's where the problem
Yeah,
is.
but
And in the coach le ama-problem ayiwakhiphi yawafaka.
Iyawalahleka.
You prefer
Dansini mfana kasigayini next.
Ngikutshelile ngendaba mntwana yami.
Umbuthuma kasigayini.
so lama-player lawo enikhala ngawo
Indaba
mawangahlala kwenza kahle
Awekho bad.
uwodo namhlanje ungenile. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi igoli lizoza.
Yazi undaba ne.
mali
Undaba.
ngekho kusho ukuthi awusabhayi
Shuthi uyi problem undaba.
Yazi undaba.
Umbuthuma makangakora.
Undaba mfethu akekho comfortable ngathi ushawa ipressure.
No, going forward umnandi.
Umnandi.
But mfana
Defense wise.
asifuni left back going forward emnandi. Asifuni left back ekwazi ukumaka.
I think he's doing
Because
too
of
much
khona umremi la.
I think he's doing too much
lo umremi mfana.
Ngalela game leyamazulu mfana undaba bekangcomfortable. Le ntwana lo khathe belilanda sibali.
Abeyifaka.
uzama ukuimpressa that's the thing you wanna be stick to what you know
Okay.
Simple, stick to what you know because what happens is you want awubahlotsa the-mistakes ugcina wetsa the-mistakes even worse
Ulungu right.
okay ngakhuluma
Abeka njani Chiefs?
Oza Spanish teacher.
okay afele esayidini le-Pirates ele-Sundowns ele-Sundowns Sundowns ngokuya ngami they actually made it a bit difficult for us for starting maybe like let's say 5 to 15 20 minutes because we couldn't see the ball. You understand? Masicala sithi sibambe ibhola nani we were like I don't know what was happening but then ithe masicala
Ngamachwana.
siba warm singene gaming that's what into engiyibonile positive into besingayenza esikhiza Chiefs lento ama combination play bese ngekho and then akhona into esikhostile ne-substitution the substitution was bad ngokucala ukhipha umuntu o-attack-ayo o-offensive enough ukuthi angasigala ama-opportunities esiwadingayo uzosifakela umuntu osasicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukudlala lapha or ufuna ukwenza ngethi it's like you can't do that usifakela udubo umuntu ohlala gijima nani we don't have i-strike esikhona ukubamba ibhola you understand so into ebe-positive theory mntwana eBatman I think kunal combination engwe ke ibone but I'm not too sure ka yona amodi le ntho le ke mang lihle ke mang yeah una something nyane etsala nkala
Ah,
una le freedom
udlalile
nyana
fanele left back uModi izolo.
una
Udlalise
like kune
Udlalile.
like kunento nyane enzakalayo mfana like they give each other breaks ukuthi okay mfana uyangithola ungaya ngiyophumula but uphila usipune ebholeni yamazi isipune ebholeni
Dona,
Umuntu uyakora bayakhipha why?
remember
Confidence
one thing.
qeda
and
ukukhuphuka
manje
wena
isikhathi masisibheka isikhathi imfethu still on our side ukuthi singabamba le game then ushaya substitution na mina ngokuya kwami ungakhipha uBatman ungakhipha uBatman bekufaka uVilakazi uyangithola uphila ahlale because ngiyazi mangiphethe lentwana le uVilakazi ngiphethe no uVilakazi creativity le head on uyangithola
That's what I'm saying. Ngem-substitute ngimbonile ngathi
uyimoshile
because of now ufaka uChislett.
Udlala vouchers.
Wangafaka uShabalala. Ukorele Wednesday. Washaya celebration kaLodge. Wena umfaki. Tanga le coach la. Ngibone
abamlahlele wingini
bamlahlele wingini. Ngibone ngama sub
and
asamshaya.
bamobeyile wrong udlala wethu ukudlala bambeyile ska false 9 kimi wakadlala lanteng ngo bala somlahlela side team fet like ubulayile game complete
lezi matshwantla we-Sundowns emove zamsaba uVilakazi noShabalala
ngabhlungu
bekumele alahlele bona umuntu odala
Akaqhawe
Yeah,
sasedisi.
manje ukuyama that's why ngithi it's still early.
amari mina kahle I'm seeing something coming leto lesinayo le yokusiphasana yakimbona
Udlala comfortable ujwala dlala from kwa.
kinto ekitsho ngoba wabona those two years
Utolithela is a speed side.
Awudlalile mfana umuntu.
awudlalile neyazi bengishayelana even though kunama mistake awayenzile lento ukuthi abamba ibhola isikade eside lentwana seyithatha irun lami sikhanda khona hlaba ibhola exactly you understand if anga release ibhola ngesikhathi singakhuluma enye into
Yabona
different
lamapela waspeed lawo. Usibilibili nyana so. Amdalize ze win.
awakwata
Adise ze win. Adise ze win back mkale emuva ayele.
okay bafethu
Yeah, abadlali that's why ngithi mina ngifuna
Yes,
iKaizer
the
Chiefs ishise.
football teams
So shine shit.
ke nne ke tshwantse ke guesse
Show everyone.
Ke yona.
yo ai
Football terms.
yeah okay but re guesse football teams Kaizer Chiefs man can't ayisibongi
U-L
tshwantse
or u-I
ehlayise lana
Mele siqedelele ne.
U-L or u-I.
No,
But it's-
that's the word. There's just missing letters.
hey we need to fill in the missing
Hey,
that's what we're trying to do
siyacedelela.
ayibheke into go pass
Adala ngibonile hayi. Footballer. Hayi.
okay sibona kanjani ukuthi
Hayi si footballer.
Okay. Konje
U-L or u-I lo is two.
Well,
L.
Al-Sarai or Rini.
Al Nazir.
Nazir
Hayi. Akusi Al Nazir.
hayi sibongile ukuthi king
Yini le?
you are
Okay, Sipitlu.
hey at least yeah wena yetsa wona re tla
Yo, guys.
Akashaka
Yini
yini.
le?
footballer what
It's not football.
ke eng
Okay, re
What
ka
was that?
example
Let's
le.
go. Let's go.
mfethu o batla o tlo di kenya after
Yeah, just do this one.
Iyapeta.
episode benkao
Ipetile.
ke ba bitsa
Feature.
di team ah
No, it's
Kill
football
me too.
time.
Feature. Fixture.
You know. Extra time, guys.
oh
It's to F most low. Mina ngithi F lo awuzwa ngithi fixture.
Performance.
Ah,
man.
no.
Three what?
You are
precondition precaution no it can't be
Hayi.
press conference
Yeah, it's about 2022. Pre-conference.
That's why ngithe pass. Zokubambela lapha.
place kick.
yeah it might be
But you play con.
player kick yo
What's that?
Obviously player kahle na tu.
player kit
Lagazi, yeah. That's a clue.
Yeah, that's really.
player kid
Player key.
Playmaker.
playmaker
Oh, ngiyacabanga lile maka.
Ah, guys, you can't pick this one.
TikTok.
kuno
TikTok.
Kitiki-toka.
Taka.
Tiki-taka. Engine
TikTok. Tiki-taka.
Medical.
Attention.
No. This one is for journalists.
Media.
Accreditation.
Is it accreditation or accreditation?
Accreditation.
Kimo.
Uda.
Can't say, man.
Neda.
Clunya.
Wembley. Yo.
And we just talked about it. So that you can compare with marathon.
Wingback.
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 Hey.
Netball.
Netball. In tennis court.
Commentator. I learn. Yo, I learn. Okay, good night.
Yes, look at those things.
There's-
Good nature.
Mfuna wona matesha, but unotesha in between.
NTE. Dante.
Cow.
Hey.
Cow.
Cow.
The tenant of the way.
What?
Counter-attack.
Cow. What's a cow? Cow.
Counter-attack.
Counter. Cow. Hey, you know when I get cow.
Counter-attack. Counter-attack.
Passing.
Passing le.
Passing.
Yeah.
Pressing.
Oh.
Asiyale yakho ntwana ngiyakubiza ntwana le yakho ntwana.
Shapa passing. Masali passing.
Maka uye nekule haufinyana.
Clean sheet.
Awuzele.
Okay. Hey.
TC. Terms and conditions.
Apply.
Messi.
Yo.
Agency. Messi.
Cow. Argentina.
What you get a goat and I
And
beat
the
it.
player did it. Fulham games out this week.
Patrick.
Yeah.
Patrick. Yo.
Messi, hat-trick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Siyabona ukuthi
Izinja zakho.
Right back.
Izinja zakho. Ngibona u-RB to right back.
Right.
Sundowns.
Usathatha senzani?
Uthi prime.
David.
Dabi.
Limpopo.
Oh, sorry, Limpopo Town.
Cocoon.
Coachella.
Coachella.
Concede.
Yes. Nice.
Concede.
Ngifuna ukuzama leyo kucala ke.
Concede.
It's small.
It's small.
It is so that VAR. VAR go to name on
Ay.
Okay, asiva.
Yeah.
Birthday ka coach.
Coach Sizwe.
Happy birthday, Coach Sizwe. Happy birthday, Coach. Danko Sport.
Athi birthday singakaboni.
Ibirthday.
Itafuleni leshibo mekezi. Liphi itafula? Invisible one.
Mara mina ngimshele.
Yeah, mina vele ngahazi. Ngibone kuye. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Yeah, njengoba sesivala bafethu. We had a nice time and
Embuthuma sicela uthakore against Chipa United.
Sale ngina umntwana obegrand yabo.
Sale ngobe grand ube mnandi. Ubuye uzodlalela ibafana bafana.
Sikhulumayo thina singazi ukuthi
Ay vandag i-team enkulu emele ihlale phezulu.
Okay, team enkulu sesivala so Shibo Magazine, don't forget to like and share, subscribe down there. Cling cling.
I-South Africa kube mnandi. Sharp.
Michael Cardoso ichwandla.
So enjoy.